This is just a freestyle. 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 You don't wanna catch no war. This is just a freestyle. This is just a freestyle. This is just a freestyle. You don't wanna catch no war. This is just a freestyle. This is just a freestyle. You don't wanna catch no war.
Hey, Wildcat Studios niggas ain't running shit like us now. Try to tell them I'm no peasant on the TV, this is just a freestyle. Catching wars on feast now, niggas paying for SU type. This is just a freestyle, I don't wanna catch no one now. I got bitches on my cell phone, niggas gotta phase out. Talking on my cell phone when I pass that place face 5. Niggas snitching now, I killed them, forgot about peace side. Talking shit, I buried the bullshit in the caption. And I confess that I hate niggas who talk shit. My name on the block probably shouldn't mention. Mama, she loved me, she taught me how to king it. I got niggas on my back, it's grab them bitch, no invites. This is just a freestyle, there's no need for missiles. If my people weren't mad, that probably got the exile. That shit was too painful, so the videos I could imagine. Driving cause I'm faded, it's a backspin. I got niggas paying that money and I put them in a dustbin. Niggas kinda funny, finish cool on some bitch shit. I like this beat so I thought I could freestyle on it. If don't like it then we catching war bitch. This is just a freestyle, this is just a freestyle. Dedication, reminiscing, killing captions. Then we smoking weed, we trying to find motivation. Me and the gang, we rapping bitch, it's an activation. Probably shooting shit cause I'm a living in a mansion. Niggas are mad, cause we get the bag, back in the sack, back in the minute, back in the fam. This is a rap, I'm talking back, you sending shots. You like my pictures, I need followers on Facebook. If you hating, it's an issue. Dropping tears, take a tissue, bitch.